back to my channel. It's your girl Shammy Chic, and today I have a Trader Joe's faves haul for you. Yes, today I'm sharing my affordable, cost-effective, pescatarian-friendly favorite Trader Joe's options that do not break the bank and are semi-healthy. Majority of them are pretty low calorie because I'm a pretty low calorie girl. I work out a lot and I only eat fish as my source of protein besides, vegetarian style protein options. But I absolutely love these items. I shop Trader Joe's every week or every 2 weeks, depending if I stole all the items on the shelves during that time. But I wanted to share with you, since we're at that time of the year where we're trying to save money, at the same time lose weight, at the same time still live. I don't want to cut myself off so dry to the point where I go back to fast food or I go back to eating really bad food. So it's really important that you find delicious options, and all of these items here are pretty amazing. And if you can tell, the Sriracha mayo has already gone through quite a bit. But I wanted to come to you and share my favorite Trader Joe options with you. I know you will love these items. They taste great. They're very healthy. Trader Joe's is locally sourced. It's like shopping at a farmer's market, but in a grocery store. So it gives you a lot of a local feel without breaking the bank. So keep watching, and I'm gonna share my Trader Joe's favorites with you. Thanks for watching. All right, so here we go. Let's go through the list of my top Trader Joe's favorite items. Number one on this list is going to be the onion salt seasoning. Oh my gosh. This is my favorite seasoning of choice in my entire selection of seasonings. Not Cajun, not Old Bay. I am from Baltimore. But no, this is my absolute favorite. You know why? You think onion salt and you think the traditional, seasoning like onion powder. But no, this is like chives mixed with onion. I mean, the way it's described is a savory allium, whatever that word is, blend with a touch of salt. So it's not real salty, but it's very like chive, oniony flavor. And this tastes amazing on garlic. I'm sorry, not garlic, avocado toast. So I just do a slice of ciabatta or a slice of bread, and I will do some avocado. Look at this cute little avocado. And then I sprinkle this on there, and it tastes so good. I also sprinkle this when I'm having a salad. I sprinkle this on my tomatoes, cucumbers, all of that. It just tastes so delicious. But this is probably my top favorite. Next, it's gonna be the Trader Joe's shrimp burgers. The shrimp burgers came out this year, probably a few months ago, and ever since they came out, someone must have told everyone that these were delicious, and I came one week, tried it out. The next week I came, it was out of stock. It was one left, and of course I took that one. But every week after that, I could not find these. So every time I see them, I get 6 boxes. The shrimp burgers are a mix of seafood, but mainly shrimp in the shape of a burger, kind of like grinded seafood patties. And it's only 90 calories per burger. If you don't know, shrimp is the cleanest source of protein. Not that I want you to totally join the pescatarian bandwagon, but it's the cleanest source of protein, meaning it has a very low amount of fat. It's pretty true to its, it's mainly a protein, and that's why I say it's the cleanest. But 90 calories, 13 grams of protein. I will make 2 of these and put it either on a salad or on some rice or on by itself with some Sriracha mayo, Sriracha Ranch. It's just so delicious, and I highly recommend you purchase these at your local Trader Joe's because they go out really quickly. Amazing product that almost beat number one. So next up is gonna be one that I get every time I go, besides the shrimp burgers. is the spicy shrimp fried rice. The spicy shrimp fried rice is so flavorful. This is gonna be in the frozen aisle by all of the Asian fried rice sections, but this is delicious. It smells up the entire room when you make it. It tastes so good. It has so many different ingredients in it, but the flavor, it's not real hot, but it is spicy, like flavorful. But it comes with a little baggie of frozen shrimp, and then that's like separate packaging inside, and then it has the rice with all of these fun toppings or whatever that's in it. I don't know what's in it, I just know it's delicious. You can put this in a microwave, you can put it, you know, in a saucepan and heat it up. I personally use the microwave for this because if I'm eating this, it's probably because I didn't have time to do a real meal prep, but this is a great option. 210 calories. It's about 4 servings in here. 7 grams of protein, which is really good for fried rice. I'm sure it's the shrimp. But this is great. This is so delicious. And I mean, I just love it. All right, next up, hopefully I'm not gonna make this video too long. Next up is going to be the Argentinian Red Shrimp. So these are all very inexpensive items. I will try to link the pricing below, but this is wild uncooked shrimp, and they are peeled and drained, and you get 20 to 25 large frozen shrimp. This is gonna be again in the frozen section. Do not sleep on the frozen section in Trader Joe's. Like, it's amazing finds. And this is what it looks like. I use this pretty much in multiple ways. I will use this for making, what do I make with this? Sometimes I'll have hubby make me some pasta, and I usually do the tomato sauce mixed with cream, and I'll put this with fettuccine. We also make shrimp scampi with these, and we did it either with cauliflower rice or regular rice with butter and wine and shallots and all that. But these shrimp taste delicious. They don't taste frozen when you cook them. They're very easy to cook with, and they're a great size and a great price. Next up, I will go with the ricotta and spinach filled ravioli. Like, this is delicious. The tomato sauce is very, very yummy. It's just ravioli with tomato sauce, and if you don't like, you know, ricotta and spinach in your ravioli, this isn't the product for you, but this tastes really good. Again, this is one of the options I go to when I haven't properly meal prepped and I'm craving pasta. It doesn't, you know, I tend to make 3 servings out of this, and it fills me up enough, and I've filled that craving. So this is 190 calories per serving. It's about 3 servings. It has 9 grams of protein. Again, not real heavy on the calories, but you still get that pasta taste, and it's great. Like, no issues with this one. And it's the ricotta and spinach filled ravioli with tomato basil sauce, and it's delicious. Very flavorful. Next up is gonna be the stacked eggplant parmesan. I absolutely love this as well. It's filled with so much cheese and ricotta. Oh, so delicious. I do make this in the oven just to give you a breakdown. It says it's supposed to be 2 servings. It could be 2 servings, but I usually just eat the whole thing. It's 230 calories, 12 grams of protein, and calories per fat is 90. It's delicious. It comes in a little crate or like bowl that you put in the oven. And you can also put this in the microwave, but this is very easy to cook, very delicious. You can use this as a substitute instead of eating pasta. I absolutely love this. I just hate that it takes a while for it to get cooked through. And that's why it's a little bit lower on the list, but the flavor again is amazing. I love eggplant parmesan, and I love eggplant anyway, but this is delicious. All right, we're coming down. Oh, I forgot. So the Sriracha Ranch dressing should be ranked probably around number 3 or number 4. One of the helpful Trader Joe's cashiers told me when I was picking up the shrimp burgers for the first time to put this on it. And I've been putting this on it ever since. It's so good. In fact, she told me to mix a little bit of soy sauce with this, and it really just blew my mind. I would actually pour the soy sauce. I know I say it weird, but leave me alone. I usually pour it into the bottle, but it's so good on salads, on burgers, on pretty much anything. I mean, you know, Sriracha Ranch can go on anything. So just imagine Sriracha Ranch with some soy sauce inside, girl, or boy, whatever. So I'm almost out of this, and I usually buy 1 or 2 of them, but these are delicious. Next up is gonna be the Cioppino seafood stew. The way this is set up in the bag is that the sauce, the tomato sauce, is gonna be in a packet, and then the seafood is gonna be in the bag. This is 210 calories. It's about 2 servings. I would say this is 1 serving. When you heat up everything, it's really like 1 serving. And you could put this in the microwave or cook this on the stove. But it's 210 calories per serving, 25 grams of protein. Like I said, seafood is a great source of protein. You will be missing, you know, some iron, which I would recommend taking iron supplements. Iron. Have you guys seen that challenge? Anyway, again, I'm from Baltimore. But this is a great find, the Cioppino seafood stew. Great to take to lunch. Yeah. All right, we're down to the last 3. These mini avocados are delicious. So I absolutely love avocado. I love avocado toast. I love to put avocado in my salads. I love smoked salmon with avocado. I just love avocados, but I have a love-hate relationship with it only because they do not last long. When I usually pick up avocados, they're pretty big. I try to, you know, not eat the whole thing. I try to eat about half to a quarter of an avocado per serving, but every time I give back to finish up and eat more of the avocado, it goes bad. And it just makes me so upset because I spend my hard-earned money on this and I can't enjoy it because it's too much fat at once, and then I gotta break it up into servings. Anyway. So I discovered, because Trader Joe's was out of this last week, they were out of regular avocados that you buy you buy 1 of them. They instead had a bag of mini tiny avocados. And they're so small and so cute and so delicious. They come in a bag of 5, and it was like $4.99 or $3.99 for 5 avocados. And I kind of treat these as 1 serving size. So it makes me happy that I'm not wasting the product. I do put my avocados in the fridge to slow down the process of them, you know, ripening or whatever. So now they last much longer, and I have a bite size, like I have the perfect serving size. So I would definitely grab these avocados. I'm down to about 2 or 3 now, and I just love avocado toast for lunch with my salad. With, of course, the onion salt. Everything but bagel seasoning should definitely be in your cabinet. This is delicious. You can also put this on your avocado or season anything with this. It's the everything but the bagel sesame seasoning with sea salt, garlic, and onion. I love to put this on any kind of Asian dishes that I'm making, like with noodles and shrimp or something like that. It's delicious. Next is gonna be the Meatless Meatballs. These are both in frozen form, but I get the Meatless Meatballs, and a lot of times I put that with my ravioli tomato sauce. And I'm still in vegetarian mode because I don't have any, you know, meat, but it feels like I'm eating meat, and it's delicious. The great thing is this is a good source of protein, and you can add so many of them to get you full if you're, you know, eating lighter. So you get 6 servings, 5 servings in this bag, but it's 6 meatballs per serving. It's 150 calories, 14 grams of protein. And I'm really shouting out the protein because that's all I really care about. The fat content isn't real high. You just have 70 calories from fat out of the 150, so prioritize what you need. 150 calories is not bad at all. And then last is the chickenless Mandarin orange morsels. So I tried these when I first moved here, and we were in temporary housing waiting for our stuff to get here for our apartment. And I cooked this in a hotel. It was a stovetop, it was a hotel with, you know, like the extended stays. And I cooked this and it was so delicious. You get these little chicken looking pieces. They're kind of breaded feeling. The texture is really good. It definitely has like a chicken texture. The orange sauce is delicious. So if you're craving orange chicken and you know you can't eat it, this is delicious. If you wanna make this whole bag, it's 510 calories, 33 grams of protein. Amazing for chickenless, but it is a pretty high amount of sugar because of that orange sauce. The sugar is about 31 grams, and so this is not the best option, which is why it's ranked so low on the list. However, if you want to just do half the bag, it's 250 calories. There you go. All in all, I hope you enjoyed me talking about these items. I really hope you get them. They're so inexpensive. They're so delicious and flavorful and will really kick up any meal you make. I really like that they are so tasty because I don't like to cheat myself out of flavor, whether I'm cutting calories or not. I don't cheat myself out of flavor or I won't enjoy it. I need it to be a lifestyle change, therefore I need to love it. And Trader Joe's helps me do that. Thank you so much for watching my list of favorite items from Trader Joe's. I really hope you find this video helpful when you're trying to make your decisions for what you're gonna eat and being mindful of working out and eating healthy. Trader Joe's is a great option. They did not, again, sponsor this video. However, I really love their products. Their cashiers are always helpful in selecting and giving me great options of what I'm looking for. These options were pescatarian-friendly and a lot of them were also vegetarian-friendly, but they did not skimp on the flavor. So I really hope you love these items. Please let me know what your favorite was below. And thanks for watching. Have a good one and stay blessed. Bye.